hunting in the wild. Then I hear a cry. A woman is calling.
Someone needs help.
Follow the sound through the trees. I hear her cry in the wind. 5 men stand around her. She's fighting to live.
I raise my sword. I step into the fight. 5 men against 1. I will not turn away tonight.
Stand your ground, do not run. I will fight until it's done.
The fight is over, the night is still. I look at her, she is standing still.
I say, do not be afraid, you are safe with me.
She looks into my eyes and begins to speak.
The sea is wide before us,
but home is waiting there.
I will take you home.
I will take you home.
Back across the ocean,
back to Samoa.
I will take you home.
I give you my word.
Back to Samoa.
The long ship leaves the shore. The cold wind fills the sail. The waves rise high, but we will not fail.
Day after day,
night after night,
we sail across the ocean,
following the light.
I see the stars above us, they show us where to go.
Keep your eyes upon the sky. We are going home. I know who I got.
Samoa.
Samoa. Samoa. Samoa. I will take you home.
I will take you home.
Across the endless ocean, back to Samoa.
I will take you home.
I give you my word.
Your family is waiting.
Your home is waiting.
Then one morning,
She looks across the sea.
she sees land